Welcome to this video on deep learning, focusing on the neural network layer. We will explore how these layers work and their fundamental role in modern AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning inspired by the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers, excelling at learning patterns from large amounts of data. It is widely used in vision, speech, text, and recommendation systems. A neural network is a computational model made of connected processing units, or neurons. Each neuron performs a simple mathematical operation. Neurons are organized into layers, and information flows from input to output through these layers. The structure includes an input layer, hidden layers for feature extraction and learning, and an output layer for the final prediction. Depth refers to the number of hidden layers in the network. A neural network layer is a collection of neurons working together. Each layer transforms input data into a new representation, which helps the network learn complex patterns step by step. Within a layer, inputs are multiplied by weights, and a bias is added to the weighted sum. The result then passes through an activation function, and the output is sent to the next layer. Common layers include the dense layer, where all neurons connect, the convolutional layer for image processing, the recurrent layer for sequences, and the dropout layer, which prevents overfitting during training. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity into the network, helping it learn complex, nonlinear relationships. Common examples are ReLU, sigmoid, TON, and softmax. Multiple layers matter because early layers learn simple features, while deeper layers learn complex and abstract features. This enables powerful models like convolutional neural networks and transformers. Deep learning layers power real-world applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, language translation, medical diagnosis, and autonomous vehicles.